This is good. San Fernando Valley. This is the North Hills area, sort of. I don't know. I'm not exactly sure, but depends on what you're looking for in the San Fernando Valley. This is Galpin Car Show 2025. I wanted to have my truck here featured somehow, some way, but no, not this year. Maybe next year for the 12th annual car show if they have it. There's no funky events or anything about. Look at the Mustangs. Mustangs are just a very cool car. But I gotta go get my stamp. My wonderful Galpin auto stamps. Oh shoot. See if they have any F1 models that I have to get, or I don't really have to. Chevys, those are all Chevys. Okay, let's see what's over here. Anything? Oh, those are cool. Rat Fink shirts too. Shoot. Should take a still picture of that just for maybe my cover. Volkswagen.
My God. $30.
'51 Mercury. I'm gonna chop to another level right here. Steel sled. $24.99. Maybe. I don't want to carry it around right now, but
No, it's a Ford. Yeah, it's a Mustang.
oh, the finish line is here, so I'll be going out of order. So $25 shirt. Anyway, let me stay focused since I'm getting some really quality video for my channel. I'm skeptical of those headlights, but if that's what they do, doesn't mean I need to do it, because I want my truck to look like it belongs somewhere else, not here. Water. I'll get some water on the way out, because since I'm not doing any editing, I have to get all the video that I need to get, then move on. There should be a old truck or car or something here. '50 Custom Mercury. There we go. Beautiful.
And then all the 80s, 90s cars, and then we have a bunch of Hollywood cars. They have their usual stuff.
I would drive it. Man, none of this has been helpful so far.
Baseball boys.
Last year, see, they put a curtain this time. Because last year they had
They're the ones that are
they were working on a. Oh wait, no, maybe they didn't. Last year they had a Ford F1. Oh, here it is. Wow, they're still working on it. Flushed bumper. Wow. Someone's project. Disc brakes in the front. Shaved door handles. Well, someone knows what they're doing because I don't know what I'm doing with mine. But that's pretty dang close. Take some pictures. Get some ideas. Perfect condition.
Look, the motor's in the back. I think those are, I think they're supercars.